evening, I'm Julie Broughton. We have several new warnings to tell you about. First of all, these are all in western Kentucky. Union, Webster, and Hopkins County are all under severe thunderstorm warnings. That is until Hopkins is under warning until 8 o'clock. Union and Webster, that warning expires at 7:55. Now, once again, the entire tri-state is under a tornado watch until midnight. And let's go ahead and take a look at live Doppler 14. You can see these very large areas of magenta. Those are the very severe areas of the storm. Now, if you're in the path of these storms, please take cover in a basement or a small interior room. These are very dangerous storms. They've been causing tornadoes in Illinois as well as Missouri. And once again, we want to remind you, you're not going to miss any of the action on the game, so keep it here to NBC 14 for continuing storm team coverage.
Sprinkle.
Good evening, I'm Julie Broughton. We have several new severe thunderstorm warnings to pass along to you. Spencer and Warwick County have both just been put under severe thunderstorm watch. That's until 8:30 p.m. tonight. Vanderburgh County also under severe thunderstorm watch until 8 o'clock. We have with us our storm team spotter, Dick Cothe, who is in Newburgh, Indiana. Dick, Warwick County has just been put under watch. Tell us what you see out there. I know you're standing outside. What do you see?
Okay, right now our alarms are going off. We've got some pretty heavy winds right now. Probably 25, 35. It was up to 50 about 5 minutes ago. A little bit of rain, not a whole lot of rain, but a lot of wind.
All right, thanks so much, Dick. And you get in the house and take cover. We don't want to be responsible for you getting injured here. And once again, folks, we are only cutting in during the break of the basketball game. We know you don't want to miss that. Once again, we just want to remind you, Webster and Union County, as well as Henderson County and Hopkins County, are all under severe thunderstorm warnings as well. Keep it here to NBC 14 for continuing storm team coverage.
More.
Good evening, I'm Julie Broughton. Severe weather continues across the tri-state this evening. A tornado warning has just been issued for Clay County and southeastern Illinois. This is until 8:30 this evening. This is a very, very dangerous storm system. If you're in the path of it, you need to take cover immediately. That means go to a basement, or if you don't have a basement, go to a small interior room in your home, preferably without windows. And if you're in a mobile home, you need to abandon your home and take cover elsewhere. Once again, tornado warning for Clay County in southeastern Illinois until 8:30 p.m. Like I said, this is a very dangerous storm system. Please take cover immediately and keep it here to NBC 14 for continuing storm team coverage.
The Olympics.
Good evening, I'm Julie Broughton. A tornado warning has just been issued for Muhlenberg County in western Kentucky. That is until 8:15 this evening. We also still have a tornado warning in effect for Clay County in Illinois until 8:35. As you can see, taking a look at a map, we have quite a few thunderstorm warnings in the area as well as those two tornado warnings we just told you about. Once again, tornado warning in Muhlenberg County until 8:50. These are very dangerous storms. If you're in the path, take cover, go to a basement or a small interior room if you don't have a basement. Once again, these are extremely dangerous. You need to take cover immediately if you're in the path. This storm is moving southeast at 25 miles per hour and will be in Greenville by 8:15 and Beechmont by 8:30. Once again, seek shelter immediately. You can see on live Doppler 14 the blinking magenta. Very powerful storm system. Take cover immediately. Muhlenberg County until 8:15, tornado warning, and Clay County, Illinois until 8:35, a tornado warning as well. Keep it here to NBC 14 for continuing storm team coverage. Good evening, I'm Julie Broughton. Severe weather continues across the tri-state tonight. And once again, we would not be interrupting the basketball game if this was not a life-threatening situation. First of all, in Muhlenberg County, there is a tornado warning until 8:50 this evening, as well as in Clay County, Illinois, tornado warning until 8:35. Now, the severe thunderstorm warning for Union and Webster counties, those have just expired, as well as Vanderburgh County. We still have thunderstorm warnings for Warwick, Davies, McLean in effect right now. Now, our Alan Tumey is in, and I know he's been talking with some spotters about damage that they've seen as the storms have passed through. Alan, what have you been told?
Well, Julie, we've gotten a lot of reports of some damage around the area. Chris Connor on the east side of Evansville told me that he saw a tree which had apparently fallen over on some automobiles or been blown over on some automobiles near Bakey and Walnut Streets. Paula Snodgrass, our storm team spotter in Boonville, called in to report 55-mile-an-hour winds up in the Boonville area. In Smith Mills, Bob Denton called in to say that he was recording winds in excess of 60 miles an hour and had picked up 1 inch of rain in about 20 minutes there in Smith Mills. He's had 3.5 inches of rain since midnight last night. And Norm Sweet, our storm team spotter in Winslow, is reporting 50 to 55-mile-an-hour gusts. And Coy Cameron down in the Livermore area is calling in a report of 60-mile-an-hour winds.
All right, thank you very much, Alan. Once again, these storms are very dangerous. If you're in the path, please take cover in a basement or a small interior room, preferably without windows. Very powerful storms have been causing tornadoes across the region today. Once again, tornado warning in Muhlenberg County until 8:50 and in Clay County, Illinois until 8:35. Keep it here to NBC 14 for continuing storm team coverage. Good evening, I'm Julie Broughton. A tornado warning has just been issued for Richland County in southern Illinois. That is until 9:15 tonight. Now, these storms are moving east at 30 miles per hour and are expected to affect areas around Newton, Noble, and Olney, Illinois. If we could go ahead and take a look at live Doppler 14, we have a street level map showing up. You can see the magenta area. That is where the very severe weather is contained, probably where the area is producing probably the area that is producing tornadoes. Once again, we want to reiterate, Muhlenberg County has a tornado warning until 8:50 this evening, and Clay County, Illinois also has a tornado warning until 8:35. Once again, Richland County has just been issued a tornado warning that is until 9:15 tonight. If you're in this area, please take cover. These storms are extremely dangerous. Take cover in a basement or a small interior room, preferably without windows. Keep it here to NBC 14 for continuing storm team coverage. Good evening, I'm Julie Broughton. The tornado warning for Clay County in Illinois has been extended until 9 o'clock tonight. Our storm team spotter Lloyd Connor in Florida says he has a report of a possible touchdown of a funnel cloud just east of Florida. That's our storm team spotter Lloyd Connor. And Muhlenberg County as well as Richland County both have tornado warnings as well. Muhlenberg expires at 8:50 and Richland County that expires at 9:15. Let's go ahead and take a look at live Doppler 14. You can see the flashing magenta. Those are the areas of the storm where the tornadoes would be contained. As you can see, all the severe weather is just about out of our viewing area. However, we are not out of the woods yet. Once again, these are very strong storms. So if you're in the path of these storms, take cover immediately in a basement or perhaps a small interior room if you don't have a basement. Once again, the Clay County tornado warning has been extended until 9 o'clock. Muhlenberg County is under tornado warning until 8:50, and Richland County in southeast Illinois is under tornado warning until 9:15 tonight. Once again, very dangerous storms. Keep it here to NBC 14 for continuing storm team coverage.
We can't